Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to show ruler here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Showing rulers in Canva is a simple process that can add a valuable feature for designers as it enhances their precision and organization in your projects. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the templates and you can start from a business template, social media template, education, video, marketing, print products, or just simply click the create a design to start from scratch. Now, see, rulers are located on the top right part of your canvas. I'm going to upload a specific image right here later, but for you to be able to see the ruler, all you're going to do is go to the file, click the settings, and you see there's going to be an option that says show rulers and guides. You see that? Now I'm going to the upload button. Now, once the file has been uploaded, you see having a ruler gives a measurement, helping you position elements with precision. It ensures that elements maintain consistent dimensions across your design. Of course, obviously, it improves overall quality because if it's displayed, you can align elements more easily because you have the guide. You see, if I hover this element right here, there's going to be a shade part on the ruler. You see that? It's moving, right? So you're not going to be lost, and it's easier to maneuver and place elements accordingly in this specific design, right? So you see, after doing all of it, I'm going to make sure everything is in place, okay? And then I'm going to max it out right here. I'm going to make sure everything is in place. Okay, so that's that. Now, I'm gonna hit on the play button because rulers help you align elements not just horizontally but also vertically, ensuring a well-structured design. By using rulers, you can better achieve balance and proportion in your design, making it visually appealing because it aids in evenly distributing space between elements, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the design. Now, again, you simply press Shift plus R in your keyboard. Shift plus R to show it up again, and to show it off, press Shift plus R. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.